Hi guys, welcome back to another lit video. Today we are doing a haul. So I've already arrived in the village. I went shopping, so I'm going to show you exactly what I bought and the quantities and the receipt. So some of the things are not here because I've already given my mom. So we have a few things, the ones we needed for the house. So I'm going to give you a haul. I'm trying this for the first time. Comment down below, you tell me if you like more videos like this. Let's do this. Hi guys, I had some serviettes. I bought two and I think each is around maybe 200 or 50 maybe. This is the receipt, so I can't go over the whole receipt, but my total bill was 31 to 60. This is the total bill. Cooking oil, this cholesterol free. Porridge, this is sour porridge. Afya Toto, I still give my baby porridge up to this age, so I bought 2 of this. I did not find Kavagara. I'm normally used to Kavagara, so I decided to try this Amaze. if you've tried it, let me know in the comment section so that I can be able also to relate and see if it's a nice unga. All purpose eggs for chapati and some mandazi. I also bought another maize unga ugali. For the Indomie, I went for this one. Kuna kwanga na mauve, but I prefer this one, and I bought 3 of this pack. So I bought this 3. I also bought cereal for Gail and some Weetabix for her too, for this duration that we are here. And then I prefer these spaghettis. They are easy to prepare, very yummy, and they're very delicious. So let's put this away and then we get to the next items. So guys, I went for this milk for the baby, big girls. And this one, also bought this for Irene Nyangasi. Some biscuits, snacks for the kids, more snacks, fruits, tomatoes, onions for washing dishes, morning fresh, cake, it's so fresh, bread, eggs, then a whole box of milk. It's heavy. I think there are how many pieces inside? Normally 12. Yeah, 12. I like this ice cream, by the way. You should try it. It's very delicious. Vanilla flavor, to be precise. And then there's some things here. There's some chicken. Sorry, it's dripping. Chicken, smokies, and sausages. So let's organize these items, and then my camera battery is a bit low. I'll charge my phone and then we'll continue after that. So I managed to clean the fridge off camera. My camera was a bit out of battery, so this is how the fridge looks inside. Amazing, 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 amazing. But the lighting is not good, so we'll use what we have to give you this content.